Meaning of doomsday.
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 Doomsday. Doomsday refers to the end of the world, or a catastrophic event that marks the end of human civilization. The consequences are dire and often involve widespread destruction, chaos, and death. It is a time of great fear, uncertainty, and distress. The idea of doomsday has been present in human culture for ages and has been portrayed in movies, literature, and religion. While it remains a popular theme in modern culture, it is important to remember that doomsday scenarios are fictional and not an actual representation of reality.